This is a Lexus 2004 gs300. I am replacing my driver side actuator. So after you take out the panel, I think, after you take out the cover, the main thing you have to do is you take this out and you unscrew the screw right here. This is the inside, and take this out, and then unplug the wire. Two of them. One is connecting, the big one connecting to this one, and then the small one is connecting to that one. And after this, I recommend you to take the door handle out. So the door handle has 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you take this out, it's easy for you to do this one and this one. Otherwise, over here you have no way to do it. And see, this is after you take the handle out, it's so much easier to do the work, and so much easier to take out the actuator. So after you take out, this one is like this, like that, and this one, you hook this one, you unhook, and then pull like this. Now you turn over here. Has 3 screws. You take it out. One thing is, so it's not easy to take a video. So this one. Okay. Anyway, this one, and then 2, the long one right here and here. So after you take this out, oh, sorry. Hold on, just cannot use one hand. Okay, anyway, so after you take this out, 1, 2, 3, and it will be easy to take this cover out and replace it. Okay, I'll come back.